From the very beginning of a new roofing project, DUBO Roofing is committed to maintaining the safety and security of our team and the customer's home. The companies we contract with are also committed to this level of quality. When your project begins, our contractor ABC starts by laying a protective covering over driveways made of pavers to prevent cracking from the weight of the truck. The ABC truck is delivering the roofing materials, which can weigh thousands of pounds. Regular cement driveways do not usually require this protective covering, but if you are concerned, please just let us know and we'll make sure to lay some protective covering over it. We work closely with the delivery team at ABC to make sure that your home remains undamaged. The next step is to tape off the truck for safety of the homeowner and any pedestrians that may be passing by. Then the ladder is set up so the delivery team can go up on the roof while someone else stays on the ground to operate the crane. The crane lifts pallets of shingles and other materials up, and the delivery team then safely places the materials on the roof. Sometimes the delivery team will use a conveyor belt instead of a crane. Notice the rope that is attached to the worker on the roof? This is to assure the safety of the delivery team. Every caution is taken to maintain the safety of the workers and everyone else as well. A common question that we receive here at DUBO is whether the shingles will cause any damage to the roof itself. The delivery team at ABC will check your roof first to identify any soft spots and then avoid those areas that could be a problem. The heaviest materials are the shingles, and these are typically placed on the ridges of the roof, which are the most structurally sound. We hope this gives you a good idea of what to expect during the first phase of your roof project, and as always, if you have any questions, please contact us at 904-396-1889.